How Microsoft became the powerhouse of web development? We all know that Microsoft was started by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on 4th of April 1975, in Albuquerque, New Mexico, United States. With the successful launch of Windows, Bill Gates became a billionaire by age 30, and the company has been growing and making amazing progress, development, and innovation in the technology industry. Let's take a look at how Microsoft has become the powerhouse in the field of web development. 1. NPM is a package manager for the JavaScript programming language. The default package manager is NPM for the JS runtime environment Node.js. It was created in the year 2009 as an open source. To help JavaScript developers easily share packaged modules of code, the NPM registry is an online database of public and paid-for private packages. 2. GitHub. GitHub is an internet hosting service for software development and version control using Git. It was founded in the year 2008 by Tom Preston Werner, Chris Wanstrat, Scott Chacon, and P.J. Hyatt. It provides the distributed version control of Git plus access control, bug tracking, software feature requests, task management, continuous integration, and wikis for every project. Later GitHub acquired NPM. In the year 2018 Microsoft acquired GitHub for $7.5 billion. 3. Azure. Azure, announced at Microsoft's Professional Developers Conference, PDC, in October 2008, went by the internal project codename Project Red Dog, and was formally released in February 2010 as Windows Azure, before being renamed Microsoft Azure on March 25, 2014. When it comes to the global cloud infrastructure market share in 2022, there are three major players: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and GCP. According to Canalys, Microsoft almost has a 22% market share in Q3 2022. Huge companies like Boeing, eBay, BMW, Samsung, etc., use Azure for their cloud operations and services. 4. TypeScript. TypeScript is a free and open source programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It was created on 1st of October 2012. The first stable release of TypeScript was released on 7th of October 2014. The first stable release of TypeScript was released to the public on 7th of October 2014. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and adds optional static typing to the language. It is designed for the development of large applications and transpiles to JavaScript. Some developers also say that TypeScript is what JavaScript should have been in the first place. 5. Visual Studio Code. On 29th of April 2015, Microsoft decided to launch Versus Code as a proprietary and integrated development environment that helps developers to write code and develop applications. According to the 2022 Stack Overflow survey, 74% of developers prefer Versus Code as their primary IDE for development. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content about the tech industry.